Receiving feedback can be uncomfortable, even when the other person means well. Many of us have had that moment where feedback catches us off guard, and our first instinct is to explain, defend, or shut down. In this lecture, we will look at how to receive feedback professionally without assuming you have to agree with every word. The goal is to listen, clarify, reflect, and decide what action is useful. This connects to the L and R in clear. Listen before responding, and respond professionally. A common mistake when receiving feedback is reacting before understanding. Sometimes we start explaining before the other person finishes. Sometimes we take the feedback as a personal judgment. Sometimes we reject everything because one part felt unfair. A professional response gives you a little space. You do not have to solve everything in the moment. You can listen first, then decide what to do with the information. Here is a simple process. Listen, clarify, reflect, and choose one next step. Listening means giving the person enough room to explain. Clarifying means asking questions so you understand the feedback. Reflecting means separating the useful points from your initial emotion. Then you can choose what action makes sense. This keeps you from overreacting or ignoring feedback that could help you improve. It helps to have a few simple phrases ready. You might say, "Thank you for sharing that," or "Can you give me an example?" If you need time, you can say, "Let me reflect on this and follow up." These phrases do not mean you agree with everything. They show that you are listening and taking the conversation seriously. Here is a before and after response. The first response, "That is not my fault," may be understandable, but it closes the conversation quickly. The other person may feel dismissed. The second response is more professional. It does not accept blame automatically, but it asks for a specific example. That gives you information you can use. Before moving on, think of a piece of feedback you received recently. Write down what was said, how you felt, what facts were included, and what next step might be useful. Try this week. If someone gives you feedback, pause before responding. Ask one clarifying question before you explain your side.